Hey, I just wanted to come on here and kind of go through a couple of these with you. And so first of all, I just want you to know that there are a couple of them like this one. I went through and just skipped it because that one should not be on there. Okay, I thought that one was already off. So that one's taken care of. So let's go to this one. So first of all, if I go to set it up, the only thing I might do is like we were doing before, I might add a 1 there. And then I would go ahead and set up my fraction. So it's 12. And then this is a problem. We don't know how many x's we actually have. We just know we have a of them. And the y, we have b of them. So I just want you to watch what I'm going to do. Put the -6 in the bottom, x to the a, then y to the first. So normally we like them when we can just go through and kind of just cancel crap out. That's what we were doing pretty good with. So the good news is at least these two right here actually match. So I can cancel those. This part right here, if I did 12 divided by -6, that would be -2. Now the bigger challenge is this, because I don't really know what to cross off. But the bigger thing is, if I look at this, that top one is b and this is 1. So if you can't just cross them out, then all you'd need to do is write -1. So you just take the top number and subtract the bottom one. Now normally we like it much more when we can go through and just cancel them, but in this case when they don't kind of give you any other choice, that's kind of what's going on. Okay, let's look at, this is another one, I took this one off. So this one is skip 2. I think there's 3 that I did that on. Okay, on this one, there's kind of almost 2 pieces to the problem. There's this part, and then there's kind of this part. So let's kind of break it into 2 pieces. So we're going to do this with what we were just doing. So if it's 8z minus 10, I'm going to separate those in the parentheses, and then I'm going to put this -2 underneath both of them. And then start to solve. So this one, I can put that part together. So 8 divided by -2 is -4, and the z is going to go with it. I'm going to bring down my minus. And then with this one, 10 divided by -2 is -5. Now, the only thing I might do is these two negatives make a positive in this case. So you end up with this. So I'm going to keep that there, and then I'm going to have to go back up to this part up here that I haven't done. So on this other part, really if there's a 5 in the front, you're just really distributing that. So 5 times z is positive 5z. 5 times -1 is -5. And then I would take these two and kind of put them together. So if you have this, and this, if I kind of added them up like we were doing the other day. In this one, -4 plus 5, it's going to be +1. And +5 and -5 cancel out. So in this one, the only thing I'd really do is drop that 1. Okay, and that's going to be your final piece. Okay, and then this one, this is the one where if it's in this parenthesis, you're going to take them. If I have x squared, that's 2x's, and 4xy. So I took this part and put it into their own fractions. And I did expand this. Remember how we said if it's x squared, that's 2x's. And then divide it by x, I'm going to put 1 underneath each one. So these are going to cancel. So I'm going to be left with x minus 4y. Okay, let me know if you have any more that you have questions on.